Welcome to my new kitchen. I am so excited to share it with you. This is where all the new recipes are going to be coming from. It's taking some time for me to get used to everything, just because for almost 17 years I cooked in my old kitchen, and you build habits and where things are at and everything. And here I'm trying to kind of expand and see where would everything work well, or where should I fit. So I'm still trying to get used to it here. I'm going to have to bring you on a tour of this new kitchen pretty soon. On an upcoming video, I will be doing that because it is so much more bigger than my old kitchen. Is about 2 times bigger, or even 2 times or more in comparison to my old kitchen. So, and this home is such a wonderful blessing that the Lord has provided us with. So I'm excited to share this kitchen with you and to build so many more new memories with you all. Now today, like I mentioned, I'm going to be making a chicken soup for the family. They're sick. My husband and my daughter specifically, both of them have been under the weather. My husband had a fever last night, and my son just told me this morning that he had a sore throat. So it's coming. And my husband has requested for my miracle soup, he calls it. So I'll be making that today, and I'll be sharing that recipe with you all. I'm going to be using drumsticks. And I'm going to be making about 6 drumsticks out of this pack for the family, because typically my husband and I will eat 2, and my daughter and my son will just eat 1 each. And then the rest I will pack up and save for later on in the week. I've already washed my celery and my carrots. There we go. 6. Not going to make a super big batch today, just enough for today. Now, I love cutting little slits on my chicken. It's just the way, I don't know, anytime I make like drumsticks, I feel like it penetrates, like the flavor penetrates even more in there. It's just me. And I'm going to be seasoning my chicken with a little flavorful, just like this. Work it in there. Okay, I'm gonna come over here and turn my stove on to about a medium high. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little dash of avocado oil just to heat it up a little bit. Brown that chicken, lock in some flavors. Now I'm just gonna come here and add my chicken drumsticks in. Oops. This is gonna be my yummy base for this delicious soup. I'm going to just let each side seal and brown for about 3 to 4 minutes, not too much. While my chicken is browning on my Dutch oven, I'm simply going to prep my veggies. I'm peeling my carrots. I'm going to be slicing them, as well as my onions and my celery. Now I'm going to come here and just add all the goodness in there. The celery, the carrots, the onions. And if you've been with me for a hot minute, you know I love garlic. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of garlic and work it all in there. Smells so amazing in here. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the water to make the broth. 8 cups of water. I'm going to move it around. This is gonna make a super yummy chicken stock. And then I'm going to be adding some adobo. A little bit of pepper. A little bay leaf. I'm gonna add a bay leaf in there. 1 bay leaf. Two little baby bay leaves. Italian seasoning to your liking. I like to put about a teaspoon in there. I know I already put some garlic in there, but a little bit of garlic powder never hurts. I'm gonna let this simmer here for about 30 to 45 minutes just so those flavors really get all infused in there. And we're a little bit over the 15-minute mark, and I'm just gonna get my potatoes ready. Oh, look how yummy that looks. It all smells so good. I want a little bit of color on that. So I'm gonna add a little bit of annatto. I bought this one off of Amazon because they don't sell it locally. Let it cook for another 15 minutes, and then we'll do the noodles at the end. Alrighty, so our soup has been cooking for about 45 minutes now. Now I'm gonna go in and add my noodles, and for this I'll be using the gluten-free Barilla noodles. I'm only gonna use about half of this pack. These are fettuccine noodles, and I'm just gonna cut them in half. We're gonna let them cook for 15 more minutes. That is some healing soup.